Alrighty, guys, welcome to another London session live stream. So, good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. And here we are back on a Wednesday. And again, we're looking at the smaller end of things here on USD CAD. We don't have much building on for GJ right now, so I may not look too closely on GJ. There is a larger end or larger range, bottom end of a range here down here, and a much larger range bottom end down here with the daily EMA down here. So we'll take a look at how GJ moves. But nonetheless, I am taking a look at USD CAD on this range. I'll remove this. So this is about, yeah, it's not quite. I mean, I can definitely bring it up here. Bring this down here to make something of it. About 10, 11 pips, not bad. Okay, so looking for USD CAD to maybe potentially reach the 15-minute EMA, and if it breaks above this level, I can consider selling. Right now, if USD CAD breaks to the downside here, we do have it is actually rejecting the 30-minute EMA right there. We do have the 1 hour EMA below and the 2 hour as well, which is 4 hours above. So we'll see how things go. But if USD CAD can reach above this level right here, I will consider sell stops to the downside, and that could be the setup that we can actualize today on the stream. But so far, a little bit of a slow day today. It's midweek. So let's take a look at some of the fundamental events. We do have medium impact GUP news coming up in 2 hours. Might not be on the stream by that time, but we'll see how that impacts. A lot of low impact GUP news. And then we do have, of course, the 6 a.m. here, right? So again, this might be all after the stream. So nonetheless, if there is a second TP to the setup or whatnot, I mean, always got to be careful. And then, of course, after New York opening, we got some high impact news and then at 10 a.m. as well. So we'll see how that works out as well. But nonetheless, for now, not much going on in GJ. So GJ may not even be a tradable pair today, and that's for the larger swings. But again, on YouTube, I don't really discuss the larger swing setups. Here is USD CAD pushing down here. So it is caught up in this zone now. Again, it's way too small to trade. So now looking at that. Again, it really does seem like a slow day today, guys. It really does seem like a slow day today. But we'll see if we get some pickup of movement. I think later on we will, with a few high impact fundamental events coming up. But nonetheless, for the next couple hours, we're gonna have to see something forming here. I mean, we do have a range right here. Again, I'll look for the buy stops above. There is a 1 hour EMA right there. So how many pips is that away? It wasn't, too far off. It wasn't too far off. So, but 4 pips off. Yeah, not bad at all. And the 2 hours right there as well. So what I can consider now is buy stops above this level if it can reach the 1 hour and 2 hour EMAs. Yeah, not bad at all. You know what? I'm going to consider that. Yeah, I think that's good. $35,675. So far, it looks like a clean range there. So there we go. So again, I'm looking at USD CAD reaching the 1 hour EMA there. Let me just put a ray there. Let's look at the 15-minute EMAs right there. Well, I'm just going to keep it 11 still. I think 10 is actually fine. Let's keep it at 10. So again, I'm looking for it to reach down here. It can even break below this level right here and reach down here. But definitely looking at, the 1 hour EMA is too close of a call here for me to not recognize that the price can reach down here. It's about 3-4 pips below. Yep. And even beyond that, it can reach this level down here, even this level here. And again, if I can adjust my buy stops accordingly, but it's not a large move here. There's an expected move here as well. So let's see. Again, not much from GJ right now. So 10 pips. Stop loss, 10 pip TP. A 1-to-1. And yes, good morning, guys. Good morning. Okay. It's almost at the entry level, or the intended entry for the buy stop here, but I need, of course, a push down. Looking for that. Here is GJ making an attempt to come down here. But nonetheless, I'm looking at USD CAD pushing down here. Oh, nice push. Nice push. Need a stronger push. I mean, it is caught up in this zone as well, guys. So, I mean, if it retests this, comes back up, taps a 5-minute, comes down again. Of course, that will delay the move here. But if it does make a push now, won't be a bad call here. Okay, nice push. Okay, nice push. I like that push. Okay, we may get to the 1 hour EMA now. There you go. If we can get there, I will be setting these buy stops. Nice push, but again, it's still in this zone right here as well, right? So does it break out of the zone or does it come back up? tap the 5-minute EMA, come right back down, and then maybe at that point it can reach down here, unless it makes that full push now, which would be very nice, because then it can definitely get to the 1 hour EMA. The 2 hour is probably right there as well. Yeah, so 1 and 2 hour EMA is right there. If we can get down there, I will be setting the buy stops. All right, still stuck here. Wow, GJ's making that push down here. Nice, look at that. Oh wow, here comes USD CAD. And I mean, GJ made that push down at the same time as well. Again, I still needed to come to the, the ray here, which is the 1 hour EMA. It's too close of a call, and I don't feel comfortable setting the buy stops prior to that. So here we are. Alrighty, come on, let's get a movement here. We got a new 50-minute candle coming up in less than a minute here. Well, GJ really made a push down here as well. Very too small to trade as well. Alrighty. Okay, he's making a push down here. No top wick. Okay. Dude is right there. Nice push. Again, he has no top wick right now. No top wick. And the 1 hour EMA is right there. Right there. Nice push. Nice push. It's about what, 2.5 pips? So this is a new 50-minute candle. Give us a nice push here. Nearly there, guys. It's nearly at the 1 hour EMA. Here it comes. There you go. It's about a less than 1.5 pip away. And look at GJ here pushing up. Again, USD CAD could make its way down to the 2 hour EMA as well, and maybe a wick below as well. We'll see. It is a 2 hour close coming up with the close of this hour. Wow, look at that push. All right, yeah, this one definitely will tap the 1 hour EMA here. Look at this. Less than a pip away. Less than a pip away. Yep, and there it goes. Yeah, no top wick on the current candle. Less than half a pip away now, less than 0.2. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and set the buy stops for USD CAD here at 135675. Here it goes and taps. It did tap the 1 hour and 2 hour EMAs, or actually the 1 hour and the 2 hours right there. Again, it could make a strong push down here to the bottom end here. Well, look at GJ here as well. So GJ, I mean, I'm going to consider the 5-minute EMA here as a tap for a potential reversal here. And look at USD CAD here. Wow. So I'll definitely consider adjustments now of the buy stop here. Let me just see how much more it moves down. Wow, look at that push down. So right now the price is about 4 pips below the buy stop, which is I think okay for now. Wow, look at that push from GJ here. Wow. Okay, new 5-minute candle here. Let's see. Does it reverse or does it continue down? Again, I'm not considering moving the or modifying the buy stops yet. If I will. We got something going on right here. Again, this top end could it be adjusted here? We'll see. And let's see how large this range is. Just about 20 pips. Not enough. I think this would be a better area. We'll see. Oh, wow. Look at USD CAD here, guys. Wow. It's really pushing down here. Again, as expected, at least to the 2-hour EMA, plus a wick to the downside here, potentially, as we are closing in on a 2-hour candle with London opening approaching. Wow, look at that push. Again, this whole push down was an expected move. That was called out in the mentorship group as well. Looking at, again, the temporary or, smaller range reversals here. as this could come right back up. I'm going to adjust the buy stops here, guys. What is this at? 3 pips, so 650. Oh, well, look at that push. So everything will be 50. Look at that push from USD CAD. Beautiful call here as well from that swing range that I had sent out. And look at this. Can reach down here. If it does not reject the 2-hour, 1-hour EMAs, can certainly reach down there, but a beautiful call nonetheless. Right now, price is about 5 pips below. Again, we are 7 minutes away from London opening, so I don't want to bring the buy stops too low as well. Oh, look at that push. Wow. So we're going to bring it one time lower as well. One more time. 625. Alrighty. Okay. Here goes nothing here. So 725, 625, and 525. Okay. So no bottom wick right now in the current candle. No bottom wick. We got 5 minutes to go before London opening. Could activate it and push all the way back up in the next 5 minutes. At 135,625. Let's see. It's pushing up here. May just activate me here. Let's see. No bottom wick though. No bottom wick. It's about just 10 pips. And you can see on the 1-hour and 2-hour it could just be a rejection and push back up. It's nearly there. Hmm. 4 minutes to go before London opening. Nearly got to tap me in, but we'll see what happens here. We got 3 minutes to go. Just got tapped in, guys. There you go. Wow. So 2 minutes left. Can I make a full push all the way back up? As you can see, the 1 hour and 2 hour could just be rejections here, at least temporarily. No bottom wick on the current candle. Can be a clean push up before London opening here. Come on, USD CAD here. Let's go. USD CAD is still making different waves here, but can USD CAD make a clean push above? There's a non-wick candle above here as well, and then the TP target is pretty much the 5-minute EMA there. Right? Can it make a wave above before coming back down potentially? Here it is. Nice. Come on. We got just under 2 minutes to go. Nice push. Again, a quick target here, 1-to-1. 1% target here. Be a clean ride up. Come on. Nice push. We got under a minute to go, guys, for London opening. Here it comes. Again, no top wick on the current candle, which is a 15-minute candle. Let's see. Not a tough target here. Trying to get this steal of a setup here. Nice push. Look at that, guys. Look at this push from USD CAD before the close. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful push. There's a non-wick candle above here. There's a non-wick candle down below. The London opening candle also opened up with no top wick. So we're getting some movement here. Ooh. Look at this. No bottom wick over here. No top wick on the current candle. No top wick on the previous candle. No top wick on this candle over here. Man. But again, I was hoping with London opening we can get it pushed up all the way to the 5-minute EMA. And then if it pushes back down, it's completely fine because the 1 hour and 2 hour would have been rejected, but it was still a rejection. But now we have the new 2 hour and 1 hour candles here. Again, does it make its way back up for now? Now we have 3 non-wick candles above here and just 1 below here. Let's see. But again, it is the 1 hour and 2 hour EMAs that price has just tapped. And London opening again, no top wick currently. Can it come back up? I'm looking at the 5-minute EMA as a target, which again will be our TP here. And look at GJ here. Wow. Push down here as well. And just looking for a 5-minute EMA tap here, which would be right in line with our TP. Not a big target here for USD CAD. Tapped us in right a couple minutes prior to London opening. And here it's right back down. Okay. Strong push here. Again, because I adjusted the buy stops, we have our stop loss at a lower level here. Price is coming all the way down here. It could fill that up, the non-wick candle. But again, the current and previous candle have no top wicks. And this one over here also has no top wick. Here it comes. Price comes down here. Can fill that up. Hmm. Okay, come on. Come on, push back up. USD CAD. Let's get this back. Can create a fill the previous non-wick candles above and get to the 5-minute EMA. That's just a small target, but it's very reasonable. I thought we had it with the push above here with the green candle, but that one opened up with no top or closed with no bottom and top wick. And London opening candle right now has no top wick for USD CAD. GJ is making an attempt down here. There is a larger range in play as well for GJ. See the amount of pips here now. 20 plus pips. We got 1 minute left before a new 5-minute candle. I like the retracement now on USD CAD. Gonna continue back up, so we're at break even pretty much with USD CAD. And GJ could continue pushing down before reversal. Let's see USD CAD here. Okay, new 5-minute candle. No bottom wick. This is a common theme right now. No top and bottom wicks for a lot of USD CAD's 5-minute candles here. And again, I do see GJ pushing down further before coming back up. USD CAD and does it come and fill up these non-wick candles and get to the 5-minute EMA? That's the target here. It's not a tough target here. Thought we had it with the push before the London opening candle, but came right back down, and now it's coming right back up. Can this be the candle now? Again, no bottom wick on this current candle, but we've seen a lot of those in the last 3, 4, 5-minute candles on USD CAD. So let's see. Now sitting at break even. Nice push. Rejecting again. Coming down to the downside. Again, there's a 1 hour and 2 hour EMAs right there as well, as you guys can see. Again, can it make one more push up? I think the 5-minute EMA is a nice, reasonable target for USD CAD to reach for this long position here. Nice push again. And it did create a bottom wick here, so that's a good thing. Now, can it fill up the non-wick candles on the left? Which will be critical there. Nice. Look at that push, guys. Beautiful push. Wow. Come on, USD CAD. One more push here. Let's keep it going here. It did fill up the non-wick candles. Can it continue? There's another non-wick candle over here. And then if it breaks above this level here, we can definitely see the 5-minute EMA being tapped. Again, it's not a tough or a long target to reach 10 pips. It's reached about almost 4 pips. If it breaks above this level, it's gonna be risk-free setup for me. We've got 2 minutes to go for another 5-minute candle here. GJ is coming up as well. Again, USD CAD did create a bottom wick on this candle. It did not fully come down here to fill up this non-wick candle down here, but now it did fill up the non-wick candles on the left. There's another one over here on the left here, above the other ones right here. And if you can break above the level, it can certainly reach this level here, which was the bottom end of the smaller range on USD CAD here that was drawn up prior. And again, the 5-minute EMA is a very, very close target there. So it's nearly about 5 pips in profit, or 4 pips. 5 pips would be over here. So that'll be halfway there. All right, let's see. We got less than a minute to go. Nice push. Come on, one more push above here. One more push. And we can certainly see it. And here GJ comes down as well. We can certainly see USD CAD even get to the 15-minute EMA at this point, right? Because you can see the 1 hour and 2 hour EMA rejections. A clean setup here that I was sent earlier in the group as well. And again, looking for this to push above here. You can see the price is probably right around the 1 hour and 2 hour EMAs. Yep. It just needs one more significant push above, and I think this will be a very nice setup here. Again, the trade is in profit right now. It's about what, 2 pips? It was about 4 pips. Here it comes back again. Nice push. And I do feel GJ is going to continue dumping down here. And here's USD CAD. Come on, USD CAD. Make a strong push above that level. And this will be a risk-free setup for me. We got 4 minutes to go before a 15-minute candle opening. And again, the previous 15-minute candle had no top wick, as you guys can see here. So we can certainly see USD CAD come back up here and into this range, which is the aim here. But let's see nonetheless how it transpires here. And wow, look at GJ here. Wow, what a push. Three minutes to go. It's going to be very interesting to see how USD CAD develops here. Nice push. Nice push. I like this push. And GJ is also pushing up here. Now it did come and fill up this non-wick candle here. Look at this. Fill up these ones and fill up this one as well. So at least it did its job on that end. It's just about now, can it come right back to the 5-minute EMA here, bounce right back in the range here? Or does it shoot down from here? Wow, look at GJ here. Wow. Again, I do feel USD CAD is going to continue up here. I think GJ here can tap the 5-minute EMA and reverse from here. So I'm going to get this trade idea in as well. We've got 3 minutes, 2 minutes to go now for the 15-minute opening. New 15-minute candle in 2 minutes. Let me see the amount of pips here. No, 185, 380. Yeah, I do see USD CAD coming up here, guys. If it breaks this level here, guys, I'm going to be closing partials at this level then and letting runners run up to this level. $380. Yeah, 22.5. So looking for the 5 and 15-minute EMA tap and then potential reversals from there. I like that push from USD CAD. 1 minute left to get to the new 50-minute candle here. And again, I'm looking for GJ to reach these levels here so I can set this up as well. Here comes the new 50-minute candle. Was it 380? Here's the new 50-minute candle. No bottom wick. It actually has now. Nice push. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Here comes GJ as well. Look at that push, guys. Beautiful. And now we are about, should be about 5 pips. Yep, 5 pips in profit. Can it make one more push above or no? I believe it can. CSD Cadio, yep. Believe it can. 380 right there. 22.5. See it rejecting there. It was almost about 4 pips, guys. I don't like the push down. Ooh. It was nearly at my level here for me to adjust my stops, but I didn't like that push down there. Still in profit. Do feel it's going to come right back up. And GJ. $22.5. All right, let me just adjust this for now then. 22 point. So 185, 605. Oh, GJ is really pushing down from here. Okay. Still think it can get to the 5-minute EMA. And 22.5. 185, 155. Oh wow, Easter Cat is pushing down as well. Not good. Well, look at that push from GJ there. Wow, Easter Cat is really pushing down here. Okay, no bottom wick on the current candle and the previous 5-minute candle. But look at that push. Look at that push. Wow, look at that push from USD Nice. I mean, there's been a lot of non-wick candles here, guys. I mean, can't really say much about what it will do now in terms of if it'll come right back down. Of course, you know, that is an understanding that the non-wick candles will eventually get filled, but there was many above here as well that, you know, took its time before price came right back. But nonetheless, can we get that full pressure above here all the way back up, or will this come right back down? And this is a new 5-minute candle here. Does it give one more boost here, or does it have not enough in it? I think it may give one more push above. Okay, let's look at GJ here. So GJ could be coming up here, guys, to tap the 5-minute here. 50-minute is right there. And my trade idea is right here for GJ. So, very interesting here. USD CAD is just right around break even. Going to make one more push. I think the 5-minute EMA is definitely a good area for USD CAD to reach. But again, there's no bottom wick on the current and previous 5-minute candle. And also there's one down here as well where it did not get filled. It came close, but did not get filled. Alrighty. I like that push. We still got 3 minutes left for another 5-minute candle opening. But maybe it does not have enough in it. could push up one more time. Here comes GJ as well, pushing up here. Again, we'll be looking to set this once it breaks above this level, and the buy or sell stop entry to the EMA tap is about 5 pips of difference. Wow, look at USD CAD here. Wow. What a push. A minute left before a new 5-minute candle here. Let's see what happens here. GJ still about how many pips away? It's about 8-9 pips away from the 5-minute EMA tap. And here's USD CAD. All right, here's the new 5-minute candle. Again, this is the last 5-minute candle before the 15 and the new 15 and 30-minute candle that will be coming up in less than 5 minutes. Alrighty. I mean, now USD CAD is pushing down. Look at that. And here GJ is pushing down as well. Here comes USD CAD back up. Wow, look at that push from USD CAD. Well, it's going to come back down. And it could fill up this normal candle completely this time. Unless it pushes back up again. It is caught up in this zone here, which is in between, drawdown area and profit area here. Wow, dude is really pushing down. Wow, look at that push. Look at that push. Okay, just came in. Have we entered into position so far? Yep. So the only pair that is still active, or I mean the only pair that I have entered for today is the USD CAD. Set up here, we got about almost 5 pips, which is halfway there. Was looking to break this level here for me to adjust my stops. But of course it did not come there, as you can see. And it came right back in drawdown here. It's in a zone here. In a smaller range. And let's see if it brings itself right back up. Again, I do believe the 5-minute EMA is a reasonable target here, but it can certainly continue above that as well. And GJ, I felt like the 5-minute EMA is a nice target for it to reverse. But again, if it pushes down completely here, then can't really do much about that. But the only active setup right now is the USD CAD setup here, and the price right now is below the entry point here. and definitely approaching their break-even level there. And we do have, again, a new 30-minute and 15-minute candle coming up in less than 2 minutes. So right now the 15-minute looks like this. Again, a lot of wicks on the bottom end here. And the 30-minute looks like this. Of course, there's a 1 hour and 2 hour EMAs right there as well. So again, it could be a lot of rejection here. We just got under 2 minutes to go before the new candle coming up. So let's see how things close out here in the next minute or so. Does USD CAD come right back up into profit territory, or does it sink right back down once more? We'll see. So we just have under a minute to go now. And USD CAD, let's see if it makes a push above. Here it is. And it is in about, almost at break-even level now. One more push, and it will get into profit territory one more time. And we could see a strong bullish push to close out this 15 and 30-minute candle to potentially open up a new 30-minute candle that continues bullish. And look at GJ. Wow. So did not get to the 5-minute EMA and is continuing bearish here to close out the 30-minute candle here. So we could see it push down further. Let's see. There is the daily EMA down here, which can prove significant as well. It's about 30 pips away. And here, nice close of USD CAD here in profit territory. Now, can we get the next 15 and 30-minute candle, and of course the new 5-minute candle, to push all the way up and get to the 5-minute EMA? If it breaks this level here, I will be adjusting my stops. Again, sometimes adjusting your stops too early, you can miss out more of a larger move, right? So that's why I didn't want to adjust myself too early. But nonetheless, okay, now GJ has no top wick. Actually, now I just did create a push above. There you go. Again, USD CAD is still weakening itself as it gets to the top end of the zone here. But it needs one push above here to get to this level here. One more push. You can certainly get there with the 30-minute, new 30-minute candle opening. Pressure there. And look at GJ here, guys. Look at that bullish run right there. Yep. Come on, USD CAD. You can make one more push here. Not a hard target here. Not a long target here. A very reasonable target here. Nice push. Come on, one more push. Now you can break this level here this time. That's what I'm looking at here. Nice push. Nice push. Again, GJ could come right back down. Nice push. Come on, one more push. Yeah, one more and it could break this level here, which again, I will make sure that I adjust my stops, because I wouldn't want this to come right back down again once more. And GJ is pushing up strong as well. Look at that push. Beautiful. Look at that move. And again, it hasn't broken this level. It's kind of reached the same level as before it sank. But can this be the difference here? Can this break this level here to get us over the edge there? Come on, USD CAD. One more push. One last push here to bring us over that the bottom end of the range. And 5-minute EMA definitely looks promising now. The tap of the 5-minute EMA. One more push here. We can see if it breaks this level here, certainly, guys, it can reach all the way up here. That's evident from the 30-minute and 1 hour time frames there, but nonetheless, need to break above this level here. Wow, look at GJ as well. He's coming right back up as well. Waiting for one more push from USD CAD. Does it deliver or does it not? All right, guys. I'm not allowing this pair to come back and draw down anymore. So it is what it is. Nice push. The stops in profit here. Should be 136.40 right there, and let it run. If it comes back down, no issues. I am going to run, get out of this setup profitable, and of course risk free now. So does it break above or does it come back down? No issues. I may close slightly above this level as well, guys, because I'm closing manually. If I can get a chance to close above those levels, unless it pushes up here. We got 1 minute left to open up a new 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens here. See what happens here. Let's see. Here it is. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. Nice pressure. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Can it keep going? Come on, USD CAD. Can it keep going? Okay. One last chance here. One last chance. No bottom wick. Does it come right back down and respect the zone here? Or does it break above and reach the 5-minute EMA? It's the last chance here. And I may just stop me out here. Again, I may close manually here as I do have my finger on the trigger here to close out. Slightly above this level here, but can it give us? Now it did create a bottom wick. Does it continue up? Nice push. Nice push. Come on, USD CAD. One more push. One more push. Let's go. And look at that wick on the upside from GJ here. No bottom wick. Nice push. Nice push. Come on, one more push. It's a very respected area there, but here comes USD CAD. Nice push. You guys can see on the 30-minute and 1 hour here, it can certainly come all the way up there. Certainly come all the way up there. As it did create a bottom wick of that candle. And price did reach this level here, but a comfortable stop loss nonetheless. Not too long, not too short. And here it comes. A beautiful push nonetheless. Here it comes. Look at this. Now the 5-minute EMA is a very, very reasonable target there. Look at that push. Beautiful push. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at this move, guys. 5-minute EMA is definitely inevitable that it will tap. And again, on the 1 hour, you can see that it can reach all the way at this level here, guys. But of course, I will close out prior to that. And now USD CAD has reached about, more than 70% of the trade here, guys. Only 2 or 3 pips, 3 pips, less than 3 pips left. Here it comes. Nice push. Come on, keep it going. Look at that. Look at that push. Now it came, guys. I mean, consider, 8 pips. So there's only a couple pips left. Guys, I'm going to take some partials here. Look at that. Beautiful run here, guys. Beautiful setup here. Beautiful trade here overall. And new 5-minute candle. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful run there. And again, runners all the way up here. What a beautiful run there, guys. Look at that. All right, guys. Majority should be closed. If any runners, adjust your stops as well. Maybe up to this level here, if anything. But a clean push, guys. It can still continue all the way up here. And now Jita is coming up here, but I'm going to wait out for this one, guys, as a 50-minute EMA can still be tapped here above. But here it is, guys. That was the trade. Hope you guys enjoyed it on YouTube here. I will be continuing the stream on Zoom, guys, for all the membership members. But nonetheless, that was a setup here for USD CAD. A beautiful trade. I mean, it was what? How many pips shy here? But I did call it. Took majority partials here. It did push up about 1.8 pips. I mean, it was what? Less than half a pip away from the target. So, you know, I think it was a clean trade. Here's GD again. We have a new 50-minute candle coming up as well. So we can certainly bring that pressure up. But for now, guys, I will be saying my farewells for YouTube here. And I will come back tomorrow, guys. It's been a losing week so far on YouTube, and I guess on the Zoom streams as well. So there's not been a single loss this week. This is the 14th week that I've been doing YouTube here live, and you know, we're continuing our winning streak here for 14 weeks. And yep. All right, guys. So I'll come back on YouTube tomorrow now. Again, as always, safe trading. Take care, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow.